Have you ever wondered where the saltiest water on Earth flows? Deep in the heart of Antarctica lies a mystery hidden in plain sight. Scientists discovered something extraordinary in the freezing cold of Don Juan Pond. At minus 50 degrees Celsius, this water stays liquid, defying the laws of nature. Located in one of the coldest places on Earth, it holds a secret. With 40% salinity, it's the saltiest body of water on our planet. This is Don Juan Pond, where salt and ice create a miracle of nature. Do you know which is the largest basin on Earth? It's not land, it's the Pacific Ocean, covering 30% of our planet's surface. Larger than all landmasses combined, it spans 165.25 million square kilometers. It's home to the deepest trenches and some of the strangest creatures on Earth. From coral reefs to underwater mountains, its diversity is unmatched. It's not just big, it's a living, breathing part of our planet's history. Can you believe it? The Pacific Ocean is larger than all land areas combined. Have you ever wondered where the highest navigable lake in the world is? Located on the border of Peru and Bolivia, Lake Titicaca holds a surprising secret. At 3,812 meters above sea level, this lake defies the odds. Its waters are so high that the air is thin, yet life thrives here. For centuries, the people of the Andes have relied on this lake for survival. But how does life flourish at such an extreme height? As the sun dips below the horizon, the lake transforms into a canvas of color, revealing its hidden magic. The fish of Lake Titicaca have adapted to these extreme conditions, thriving where few others can. As dawn breaks, the lake's secrets begin to unfold, revealing a world where nature and culture collide. And here's the shocking truth. Lake Titicaca, at 3,812 meters, is not just high, it's the highest navigable lake on Earth, a marvel of nature and history. Have you ever wondered about the longest river in the world? The Nile, stretching over 6,853 kilometers, flows through 11 African countries. Its journey begins in Ethiopia, where the Blue Nile starts as a small trickle high in the mountains. It winds through Sudan's deserts, a lifeline in the arid landscape, supporting life and agriculture. Crossing borders, it flows through 11 nations, each with unique cultures and landscapes. In Egypt, it's a source of life, nurturing crops and sustaining communities for centuries. Finally, it reaches the Mediterranean, completing its journey across continents and cultures. From its humble beginnings to the sea, the Nile is a symbol of life and connection across Africa. Have you ever wondered what lies deep beneath our feet? In the heart of Georgia, a hidden wonder awaits, a cave so deep, it defies imagination. In 1968, explorers discovered a place so extreme, it would take decades to fully unravel its secrets. At 2,212 meters deep, Variovkina Cave is the deepest known cave on Earth, a labyrinth of silence and shadow. Every step into its depths is a journey into the unknown, where light is scarce and the echoes of human curiosity ring loud. For decades, the cave's full extent remained a mystery, a challenge that only the most daring would attempt to solve. Finally, in 2018, after years of exploration, the full map of Variovkina Cave was revealed, a testament to human perseverance and wonder. Deep beneath Georgia lies a world beyond imagination, a place where the limits of exploration are pushed, and the mysteries of our planet are unveiled. Have you ever heard of the world's longest fence? Built to protect sheep from wild dogs, it spans over 5,600 kilometers across Australia. Wild dingoes, Australia's wild dogs, were threatening sheep herds. So, in the 1800s, farmers took drastic measures. Constructed in the 1800s, this fence wasn't just a barrier, it was a symbol of survival and ingenuity. Stretching over 5,614 kilometers, it's longer than the Great Wall of China. But how did they build it? Today, it's the longest fence on Earth, saving millions of sheep from Australia's wild dingoes. A true marvel of human determination. Have you ever wondered which country holds the secret to Earth's most precious resource? The answer lies in a land of endless horizons and untouched beauty. Over 60% of the world's lakes lie hidden within its borders. These aren't just lakes, they're gateways to adventure and wonder. With over 2 million lakes, Canada holds more water than any other land. Covering nearly 8% of its land, this is nature's true masterpiece. From coast to coast, these lakes are a gift to the world. Have you ever wondered where on Earth gets just 1 millimeter of rain a year? Meet the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest place on the planet. In some parts, it's been over 400 years since significant rain fell. Scientists have even found mummified remains of people who lived here centuries ago. But wait, there's a twist. Despite the extreme dryness, life still finds a way here. Flora and fauna have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Some plants thrive on morning fog. Interestingly, the dry air also makes it one of the best places on Earth for stargazing. While it rarely rains, when it does, the desert transforms. Blooms of flowers carpet the landscape temporarily. This paradox of a place challenges our understanding of life and survival. The Atacama Desert reminds us that even in the harshest conditions, life persists. Have you ever wondered which river is the longest on Earth? The Amazon or the Nile? The Amazon snakes through South America, covering over 6,992 kilometers. The Nile, known as the longest, stretches 6,853 kilometers through Africa. For years, the Nile held the title, but recent measurements changed everything. The Amazon was measured longer, surpassing the Nile by a stunning 139 kilometers. So, the debate is settled. The Amazon is Earth's longest river, at 6,992 kilometers. Do you know the deepest point on Earth? It's not a mountain, but a trench beneath the waves. Prepare to dive into the Mariana Trench. Located in the Pacific, the Mariana Trench stretches over 1,500 miles, but its secret lies at its lowest point, the Challenger Deep. Imagine diving deeper than Everest's peak. At 10,984 meters, the Challenger Deep is the lowest point on Earth. Only a handful have reached this extreme depth. The pressure here is 1,000 times that at sea level, crushing to most life. Yet life thrives here, adapted to the darkness and pressure. Strange creatures call this extreme place home. From Everest's peak to the Challenger Deep, Earth's extremes are a world apart. But one fact remains: only the trench reaches true depth. Have you ever wondered about the country with the longest coastline in the world? Canada's coastline stretches an incredible 202,080 kilometers. It borders the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic Oceans, creating one of the most diverse coastlines on Earth. With over 52,000 islands, it's a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers. Every rock and wave tells a story of nature's endless beauty. From bustling harbors to untouched wilderness, every inch is a testament to nature's grandeur. Canada's coastline is not just a boundary, it's a journey of discovery, 202,080 kilometers long. Have you ever heard of the most dangerous lake on Earth? Hidden in the Ural Mountains, Lake Karachay holds a chilling secret. In the 1960s, this idyllic lake became a nuclear dumping ground. The Soviets turned it into a radioactive nightmare. For years, they dumped nuclear waste here, turning its waters into a lethal cocktail of radiation. By 1967, Lake Karachay's radiation levels were off the charts. Just 30 minutes near its shore could be deadly. Today, the lake remains a silent killer. No life can survive its toxic embrace. The radiation is so intense, it could kill you in half an hour. Lake Karachay is a haunting reminder of humanity's darkest experiments. This lake is not just dangerous, it's a ticking time bomb, a radioactive wasteland that will remain deadly for centuries. Have you ever wondered where the world's oldest desert lies? Hidden in Namibia, the Namib Desert holds a me older than time. At 55 million years old, the Namib is a living relic, older than the pyramids and the Himalayas combined. Its dunes soar to 300 meters, giants of sand that have witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Bordering the Skeleton Coast, the Namib is a land where desert meets sea, a landscape shaped by millions of years of wind and waves. Every grain of sand tells a story, a testament to the relentless march of time and nature's raw power. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Namib Desert remains, a timeless guardian of Earth's secrets, older than history itself. Have you ever wondered where the oldest lake on Earth lies? Hidden in the heart of Kazakhstan, it's a mystery older than time. Nestled in Kazakhstan, This ancient body of water spans across a landscape that's been witnessed to countless eras. Its shores tell tales of a past so ancient, it predates the Himalayas and even the Great Wall of China. Through cosmic impacts and shifting continents, this lake has endured, a silent survivor of Earth's tumultuous history. Only recently has science unveiled its true age, 65 million years, making it older than the dinosaurs themselves. As you gaze upon Lake Zaysan, you're witnessing a piece of Earth's earliest history, a living relic from our planet's infancy. Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden beneath Earth's most mysterious rivers? Flowing through the heart of Africa, the Congo River holds a secret that few have seen. Buried beneath its calm surface lies a depth so extreme, it defies imagination. At its deepest point, the Congo River plummets over 220 meters, a depth so extreme, it's hard to believe. Only the bravest explorers have dared to venture into its depths, and what they've found is beyond belief. And yet, even after years of exploration, the Congo River still guards its deepest secrets. Have you ever wondered what's the largest living structure visible from space? Look no further than the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. This underwater wonder is home to thousands of species, from tiny fish to majestic sea turtles, all thriving in its crystal-clear waters. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it's so large it can be seen from space, making it one of Earth's most iconic natural wonders. Its vibrant colors and complex ecosystem make it a true gem of the ocean, a living masterpiece created over thousands of years. From space, it looks like a delicate lacework across the ocean, a reminder of nature's incredible complexity and beauty. This natural wonder isn't just big, it's a vital part of our planet, teeming with life and wonder. A true treasure from above and below. Have you ever wondered what it's like to experience the coldest place on Earth? Imagine standing in a world where even the air feels frozen. On July 21, 1983, at the Soviet Vostok station, a record was made that still astonishes the world. Scientists there battled the elements, their instruments freezing, their breath visible in the air, as they recorded a temperature so low it defies imagination. That night, the wind howled, and the world seemed to hold its breath as the thermometer dropped to an unimaginable low. With trembling hands, they recorded -89.2 degrees Celsius, a temperature so extreme it became a mark in history. In the heart of Antarctica, where the wind whispers of endurance and the cold is a relentless force, this record stands as a testament to nature's power. Today, that record remains unbroken, a stark reminder of Earth's extremes and the extraordinary resilience of those who explore them. Do you know which mountain is farthest from Earth's core? It's not Mount Everest. Guess where it is? Mountains closer to the equator are farther from Earth's core because of the Earth's unique shape. This towering giant in Ecuador is actually the farthest point from Earth's core. Standing at 6,384 kilometers from Earth's core, it's farther than Everest, despite being shorter. The reason? Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's slightly squashed at the poles. Mount Chimborazo's unique location makes it the farthest point from Earth's core. Have you ever wondered why the Pacific Ocean is called the Ring of Fire? It's home to 452 volcanoes and 90% of the world's earthquakes. From Mount Fuji in Japan to Mount Vesuvius in Italy, some of the world's most active volcanoes lie here. In 2011, the Ring of Fire unleashed a 9.1 magnitude earthquake, triggering a devastating tsunami in Japan. It's all due to colliding tectonic plates, creating a hotspot for both volcanic eruptions and powerful quakes. Krakatoa's 1883 eruption was one of the most destructive in history, heard thousands of miles away. Cities like Tokyo and Jakarta lie on this active zone, always at the edge of nature's raw power. Every eruption reminds us of Earth's dynamic forces shaping our planet for millions of years. Have you ever wondered where the farthest place on Earth is? It's not a mountain or a desert, it's a spot in the middle of the ocean. Hidden in the South Pacific lies a place so remote, it's named Point Nemo. It's 2,688 kilometers from the nearest land. Imagine being in the middle of the ocean, so far from any island or continent. That's what it means to be at Point Nemo. Divers here encounter creatures found nowhere else, thriving in the deep, dark waters of this unexplored frontier. Scientists journey here to study life in the extreme depths. But the journey is long, 2,688 kilometers from any shore. At Point Nemo, the Earth's vastness feels endless. It's the ocean's last frontier, a place where adventure and mystery meet. Next time you look at a map, remember, somewhere out there is Point Nemo, the farthest point on Earth, waiting to be explored. Have you ever wondered where 20% of Earth's freshwater lies? Lake Baikal, in Russia, is the deepest freshwater lake on Earth, plunging 1,642 meters below the surface. Its icy waters hide a world of secrets, untouched for millions of years. Home to unique species, Lake Baikal is a living museum of ancient life. Its waters are so pure, you can see up to 40 meters below. This ancient lake, over 25 million years old, holds 20% of the world's freshwater reserves. Lake Baikal, a natural wonder, is Earth's deepest freshwater treasure. Do you know Earth's lowest point on land? It's not in the ocean, it's the Dead Sea, a staggering 430.5 meters below sea level. Bordering Jordan and Israel, this unique body of water is so salty, you can't sink. Its rich minerals have drawn visitors for centuries. With salt levels 9 times higher than the ocean, the Dead Sea defies gravity, letting you float like never before. As the sun sets, the Dead Sea's beauty is unmatched, yet its survival is at risk due to rapidly declining water levels. While it's a wonder to behold, the Dead Sea faces challenges, making its existence even more remarkable and worth preserving. Do you know which continent is the only one that spans all 4 hemispheres? Let's uncover this surprising truth. Stretching from the scorching northern deserts to the lush southern lands, Africa's reach is extraordinary. From bustling cities in the eastern hemisphere to vibrant cultures in the west, Africa's influence is global. This unique geography connects Africa's diverse landscapes and cultures in ways you might never have imagined. Here's the secret. Africa is the only continent that touches the northern, southern, eastern, and western hemispheres. So the next time you look at a map, remember Africa's remarkable place in our world. Do you know the Sahara Desert was once a lush green savanna 5,000 years ago? Evidence shows ancient rivers flowed where the desert lies today. Humans thrived here, building settlements and thriving communities. But something changed, the climate shifted, and the land began to dry. Today, the Sahara is a vast, uninhabited desert. But fossils and artifacts tell the story of a lush past. The Sahara's story reminds us of nature's powerful changes over time. Have you ever wondered where on Earth is hottest? A place so extreme, it challenges the limits of life itself. In Ethiopia lies a land of extremes, the Danakil Depression. Here, the average temperature is a blistering 34.4 degrees Celsius year-round. Salt flats stretch endlessly, reflecting the intense sunlight. Yet, life thrives in this harsh environment. Despite the extreme heat, this is home to hardy communities who've adapted to the unforgiving conditions. With its acidic pools and surreal landscapes, Danakil is a place of contrasts, harsh yet hauntingly beautiful. Every day here is a test of survival, yet life continues with resilience and determination. The Danakil Depression is not just the hottest inhabited place on Earth, it's a testament to nature's extreme